Namaste everyone. Thank you so much for coming back. As you can see by the title already, as a video I'm going to show you how to do this really simple makeup look for Teej. तपाईहरुलाई मैले अहिले लगाएको makeup मन पर्यो भने please keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Spray your face with a hydrating spray and follow up with your own skincare regimen. I'm using this serum, following up with a moisturizer that's very lightweight for my oily skin and definitely hydrate those under eyes. And don't forget your lips. After that, more makeup eye makeup suru garna chahanchu. My eyebrows, I'm doing a little bit more of a bold eyebrows. अनि तपाईहरुको pomade powder pencil जले फिलिङ गर्दा हुन्छ त्यो गरिसकेपछि take a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than your face अनि त्यसले तपाईको eyebrows define गर्नु होला eyebrows गरिसकेपछि primer लिनुहोस् primer लाई all over the eyelid apply गर्नुहोस् त्यो गरिसकेपछि I'm using very neutral colors for my eyeshadow, starting with this warm orange, applying it as a transition color. मैले कसरी blend गरे त्यसरी blend गर्नुहोस् त्यो गरिसकेपछि same range को अलिकति deeper color लिनुहोस् अनि त्यसलाई चाहिँ outer crease देखि halfway through मात्रै ल्याउनुहोस् so it defines your crease nicely. hooded eye छ भने तपाईलाई कहाँ राख्दा मन पर्छ त्यस्तै गरे हुन्छ mostly middle मा राम्रो देखिन्छ अनि त्यो गरिसकेपछि brown color लिनुहोस् अनि brown color लाई close to your lash line start blending it halfway through अनि आधी सम्म मात्रै apply गर्नुहोस् अनि बाहिरतिर लगेर blend गर्न थाल्दा हुन्छ यसरी त्यस्तो धेरै blend गर्नु पर्दैन किनभने कलर्सहरु सबै यो कलर सेम रेन्ज को भएको कारणले अलरेडी एकदमै मज्जाले blended देखिन्छ अनि यो गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ तपाई जुनै कलरको लाइटर जुनै टाइपको लाइटर metallic color लगाए हुन्छ I'm using these two and mixing it with my finger and just applying it inner side of my eyelid and त्यो कालो र सेतो blend गर्दा फेरि अलिकति harsh lines भएकोले I'm just taking the brush and just blending it in. That way it looks more blended and the eyes actually look so amazing. Eyelashes लगाउँदा चाहिँ कस्तो राम्रो देखिन्छ अनि eyelashes dry गरेर you can work हुन्छ नि work smart so म primers हरु लगाइराखेको छु but at the same time I have my eyelashes drying so that's good. And prime your face with your favorite primer and I'm starting with a concealer. I know I work so backward but it's okay. So basically with concealer I usually highlight my face and your concealer एकदमै सेतो देखिरहेछ अहिले but it's going to be perfect. त्यस्तो धेरै product use गर्नु पर्दैन का अलिक सेतो 2-3 shades सेतो लगाएछ भने slap your eyelashes and I know you can see the white glue still. It's actually clear so मजाले dry भएपछि it's clear हुन्छ. Now start blending your concealer. It's a perfect time. कस्तो मजाले मेरो concealer powder नलगाउनु जस्तो भएको थियो क्या एकदमै perfectly dry भयो. You can see how beautiful it looks already. Concealer blend गरिसकेपछि तपाईको favorite foundation, long lasting foundation लिनुहोस्. This is my favorite as you guys already know. If you want to learn how to flawlessly apply your foundation, I have a video on that so you can go check that out as well. But you know, foundation apply garnu is pretty self-explanatory. It's very easy. Just blend and use a beauty blender. मेरो concealer already dry भएकोले म मेरो under eye bake गर्दिन but I have to set my under eye so मेरो त्यो नाकको छेउमा पाउडर लगाएको कारण चाहिँ नोज कन्टुर गरेको मैले रिभर्स कन्टुर यस्तो गर्दा धेरै कालो लगाउनु पर्दैन नाकको छेउछेउमा अलरेडी स्लिम देखिन्छ सो त्यो पाउडर मैले लगभग 1 मिनेट चाहिँ राखेँ होला फेसमा अनि अकर्डिङ टु योर फेस शेप तपाईँको फेस कन्टुर गर्नुहोस् म आम टेकिङ दिस cool tone contour powder to actually define my face. This is very cool tone, so it's gonna give me that really extreme cheekbones and very sculpted face. So त्यो गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ I also go over with like a warm tone color just to give me a little bit of that color, you know. I don't want to look dead. So त्यो गरिसकेपछि मजाले ब्लेन्ड गर्नुहोस् अनि हल्का हार्श देखिन्छ but I'm going to show you a method later that's going to blend everything in together. So if you want to you can also contour your nose very lightly as I'm doing. तर अगाडिको त्यो powder method is really good so you don't really have to contour your nose. तपाईको फेभरेट ब्लश लिनुहोस् अनि मैले अहिले कसरी अप्लाई गरेको छु त्यसरी अप्लाई गर्नुहोस् सेम प्लेस अफ एप्लिकेसन यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दा यसले चाहिँ हामीहरुको फेस लिफ्ट गराउँछ अनि त्यस्तो गर्दा फेरि इट डजन्ट मेक अस लुक ओल्ड क्या and especially for our aunties and all of them, yeah, do that way your face doesn't look dragged down. हातको मुनि आइस्याडो लगाइसकेपछि ब्ल्याक आइलाइनर लिनुहोस् अनि वाटर लाइनमा आइलाइनर लगाउनुहोस् फेभरेट हाइलाइटर लिनुहोस् अनि मैले कसरी एप्लाई गरेको छु हायर पार्ट अफ माइ चीक्स नाकमा एभ्रीवेयर एप्लाई गर्नुहोस् मैले चाहिँ धेरै एक्साइटेड भएर 3-4 वटा कलर युज गरेँ म जस्तो नहुनुहोस् जस्ट युज one highlighter that's okay. अनि तपाईको फेभरेट पाउडर लिनुहोस् अब ब्रश पाउडर एन्ड apply it all over. यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दा सबै हाम्रो कलर्सहरु अगाडि लगाएको मेल्ट डाउन गराउँछ to give more of that really blurred look. I really like it. And I added some highlighter in my lid, my inner corners, and my brow bone. Not forget this makeup goes perfectly with the red lipstick, so apply your favorite matte lipstick and don't forget to put on some mascara and you're all done. Oh my god, this was one of my favorite looks. I'm so excited to see everyone glam up for Teej. Bye guys, have a great day, have fun.